Welcome to Tuesday's homework. This is going to be using the logarithmic properties that we have learned so far. So we have page 516, 1 through 13 odd. Number 1 is log base 550 plus, that looks like an equal sign, plus log base 562.5. We have to make that one single logarithm, so I know I'm going to have log base 5. And this plus sign right here, I wanted to highlight that somehow, is going to tell us that we need to multiply these two numbers. So 50 times 62.5. Okay? That's the answer. If you would really like if you'd like to do the multiplication, then you can pull out your calculator. 50 times 62.5. 3,125. Oh, and that's kind of cool because 5 to some power is 3,125. So 5 times 5 is 25 times 5. And yeah, to count. That's 125, 625, 3,125. So this is 5 to the 5th power. Alright, number 3. Log 3 plus log 27 equals log 3. Alright, once again, this is a plus, so we take these two things and we times. And that 27 times 3 is 81. And then once again, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81, so this is 4. Number 5, log 5.4 minus log 0.054. Okay, now there's no base here. There's no base here. And there's not going to be a base here either. So that base is 10. So 5.4, the minus sign here, tells us that we need to divide. And 5.4 divided by that is, I think it's going to be 100. Oh wait, yes, it's going to be 100 for sure. 5.4 divided by 0.054 is indeed 100. Now once again, our base is 10. So 10 to what power equals 100? This is going to be 2. 7. Log 8 squared. Now we can do this a couple different ways, but since we know the power rule, I'm going to use the power rule first. So this goes away and goes to the front. So it's 2 log 8. Now this is very simple. When you have log 8 and it needs to be 8, this must be 1. Because 8 to the first power is 8. So this is 2 times 1, which equals 2. That's not the only way you could do this. You could just do 8 to the second power is 64 and then try to figure it out from there. It's no big deal. I just wanted to use my new property. So that's how it would follow. 9 is log 749 cubed. I don't know what 49 cubed is, and I don't want to know. So once again, I'm going to use my power property. I'm going to move this out here. So I'm going to get 3 log 749. And I know that this 7 to what power is 49 is 2. So this equals 3 times 2, which is 6. Number 11, log 2 2 to the x over 2 plus 5. Okay, well this is a fun one, but I'm just going to take, once again, the power. So the power, I imagine you might have a little bit of difficulty like looking at this and deciding what to do, but the power is just the power. Here it was 2, here it was 3, here it's x over 2 plus 5. So we're going to move that to the front here, and we're going to get x over 2 plus 5 log 2, 2. And this, it's all a matter of finding what you can do very easily. This is just 1. So this all equals x over 2 plus 5 times 1, which is just that. So that would be your answer. So I mean, it looks ugly, but that doesn't mean you can't simplify it. Just one step at a time. Alright, last problem. 13. Log 4 1024. Now here, it's not so easy to simplify. There's nothing obvious about this. I can break this up maybe a couple different ways. But I think that I'm just going to try first. 4 times 4, that's 2, is 16. And then 3 is 64. 4 is 256. 5 is 1024. So this equals 5. So this one I didn't need any tricks. I guess I maybe, yeah, I don't know. I just would merely multiply by 4s. That is all I would do for this. And so I have log 4 1024 is equal to 5, because that's the exponent I need. Alright, that is your homework. I will see you tomorrow.